Here is how to turn Kiosk Mode on and off in chat. Kiosk Mode is designed to keep the user within the chat software, not allowing them to access the rest of the tablet. There may be the occasion where you need to access outside of chat, for example, to be able to connect to the internet. You would need to turn Kiosk Mode off first to do this. First, open the menu. You can do this by swiping right from the left side of the screen, by pressing and holding the physical back button on your device, by pressing the three dots in the speech display bar or the menu bar on the top of the screen if you have these options enabled. Press Application Settings. Scroll down and press on System. Press Kiosk Mode. If it is ticked, the user will be unable to exit chat. You can untick the box to turn off Kiosk Mode. If your device has an on-screen navigation bar at the bottom like so, you will notice that you now have two more buttons. The circle button allows you to exit the app and go to the device home screen. The three lines allows you to view open apps on the device. If your screen has physical buttons, these will now work in the same way as these on-screen buttons. To turn Kiosk Mode back on, you may want to make sure that you open chat. It will take you straight back into the Kiosk Mode screen. Check the box next to Kiosk Mode, and you've now locked the device back into chat. You can then return to your home screen.